how to fix Minecraft crash problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do first, just go and make sure your Windows is updated. And if you find any update here, just restart your installs and restart your PC and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. The next step is type here apps and features. Here's it. Now just click here, click all drivers, and then type here Xbox bar, click on it, go to advanced options, scroll down, and now reset. You will lose your Xbox bar data, but your problem must be fixed. Now just after that, try again. If that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next method. Type your Java. Now uninstall your Java, click uninstall and go to Google. Go to any browser you have and type here Java download, and go to java.com website, and that's it. Now just download Java and that's it, your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.